Apart from the 4 years BTech programs, that is UG program, undergraduate program, we also offer 2 years PG program, post graduation program, that is in the CAD/CAM. We call it computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing streams. So basically the mechanical engineers who has completed 4 years UG programs, they can opt for this 2 years masters program, which is specialized in the CAD/CAM program. So that will give you the advanced information about the subjects of the design subjects. So this will have the number of design subjects in semester 1 and 2, apart from the analysis and the softwares, 3D softwares which are utilized in the industries. After the first year, the second year entirely 1 year is designed for the dissertation part, which has the 1 year project work. So this project work students can carry it out with the help of the internal faculty, as well as they can take the help of the industries also, or some other softwares also, where they can go for the inner detailed research kind of the things, because they have studied research methodology. They can find out what is the past research and what is the present research at this moment, and then whatever research gap is there, based on that research gap they can make their own objectives, that what future will look like in that particular sections. So based on that they will be guided, and 1 year project is prepared by the students, where students may find the different applications based on a particular model also. So generally they go for the computer simulations, then they go for the experimental kind of the things, and they go for the comparison of these two, and based on that they validate their results and find out the new solution also. So this is the complete one kind of the like industrial exposure as well as the research exposure to a students. So this is a foundation for the students studying 1 year from the research point of view. So they can opt their career as a research scholar in future also, or they may go for the PhD program, which is a completely 3 to 4 years research based program only. So this 2 year PG program of the MTech Master of Technology in CAD/CAM will help you in different ways. One, that it provides you the research platform, so you can carry out your research of say taking entire 1 year of the research project. So if you want to pursue a career in education, research is important, and later on you have to opt for this 3 to 4 years of PhD program. So there also this foundation course will help you. Second, you can excel your career in the research institutes, like you become a scientist like ISRO and DRDO and ONGC, where they have their R&D centers. Their students with the MTech background and specialized program like CAD/CAM, they can make their career in the research. So this is the second things. And third, you can also go for industries where customized service is required. So in industry again there are two things. One, you can go for the hardware side. Second, you can go for the software side. So MTech CAD/CAM is more related with the softwares. You have the 3D softwares. So students can make the career in the software industries also with a white collar job, and this will give you them better opportunity from the training and placement point of view, and they can get the good exposure of this studying in the 2 year MTech program. If you still have further any queries, you can always check in our website, university website, that is indusuni.ac.in, or you can either contact me or any of the faculty members available at the university. Thank you all.